In the world of gardening, there are many natural remedies and additives that can work wonders for your plants and soil. Among them, baking soda, a commonly available household product, holds numerous benefits for gardeners. Beyond its culinary uses and cleaning properties, baking soda has incredible potential when applied in the garden. In this article, we will explore 10 miraculous ways in which baking soda can transform your garden into a thriving oasis of healthy plants, enriched soil, and a pest-free environment. Natural fungicide. One of the most remarkable properties of baking soda is its ability to combat fungal diseases in plants. By creating an alkaline environment, baking soda prevents the growth and spread of common fungal infections, such as powdery mildew. To make a natural fungicide, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of liquid soap, and 1 gallon of water. Spray the solution on affected plant parts every 1 to 2 weeks, particularly during humid conditions, to control and eliminate fungal diseases. Soil pH adjustment. Maintaining proper soil pH is essential for healthy plant growth. Baking soda acts as a natural pH balancer, particularly for acidic soil. If your soil is too acidic, adding baking soda can help raise the pH level and create a more favorable environment for a wider range of plants. However, it's crucial to test the soil pH before making any adjustments to ensure you achieve the desired balance. Pest deterrent. Baking soda also works as an effective natural pest deterrent in the garden. It can repel common pests like ants, cockroaches, and even larger nuisances such as rabbits. To discourage pests, create a barrier by sprinkling a generous amount of baking soda around the affected areas. Reapply after rainfall or watering. Additionally, using baking soda in combination with other natural ingredients, like sugar or flour, can be an effective way to create homemade pest traps. Weed control. Weeds can quickly invade and choke out desired plants. Fortunately, baking soda can be an eco-friendly solution for weed control. Sprinkle baking soda directly on weeds, taking care to avoid contact with nearby plants. The baking soda disrupts weed growth by altering the pH balance and drying out the foliage. However, be cautious when using baking soda near desired plants, as it can also affect their growth. Spot application and careful monitoring are crucial to ensure the well-being of your garden. Tomato sweetener. Baking soda not only benefits the soil and plants, but can also enhance the flavor of certain fruits, particularly tomatoes. Sprinkling a small amount of baking soda around the base of tomato plants can increase their sweetness. The baking soda helps regulate the pH balance in the soil, allowing the tomatoes to absorb nutrients more efficiently. As a result, you'll be rewarded with tastier, sweeter tomatoes. Fruit ripening aid. For gardeners eagerly awaiting the ripening of their fruits, baking soda can speed up the process. By creating an ethylene-rich environment, baking soda accelerates the ripening of certain fruits, such as bananas, avocados, and peaches. Place the unripe fruits in a bag with a pinch of baking soda, seal it, and leave it for a day or 2. The ethylene gas released by the baking soda will hasten the ripening process, allowing you to enjoy your harvest sooner. Compost enhancer. To maximize the benefits of your compost pile, baking soda can be used as an enhancer. Sprinkling baking soda on your compost helps neutralize odors, making the process more pleasant. It also acts as a natural deodorizer, reducing the likelihood of attracting unwanted pests. Additionally, baking soda assists in maintaining the pH balance of the compost, aiding in the breakdown of organic materials. Use it sparingly, as excessive amounts of baking soda can disrupt the microbial activity essential for effective composting. Cut flower freshener. Baking soda can extend the vase life of cut flowers by keeping the water clean and fresh. Add a teaspoon of baking soda to the vase water to prevent bacterial growth and maintain a healthier environment for the flowers. This simple trick can help your cut flowers last longer, allowing you to enjoy their beauty for an extended period. Fertilizer booster. Baking soda can also enhance the effectiveness of certain fertilizers. When applied in combination with liquid fertilizers, it aids in the efficient absorption of nutrients by the plants. The alkaline properties of baking soda facilitate nutrient availability in the soil, leading to improved plant growth and vitality. However, it is essential to follow the recommended dosage of both the fertilizer and baking soda to avoid overfertilization. Garden tool cleaner. Lastly, baking soda can be an invaluable aid in cleaning and maintaining your garden tools. Create a paste by mixing baking soda with water, and use it to scrub your tools clean. Baking soda's gentle abrasive nature helps remove dirt, grime, and rust without causing damage to the tools. Regularly cleaning your garden tools not only extends their lifespan but also prevents the spread of diseases and pathogens between plants. From serving as a natural fungicide and pest deterrent to improving soil pH and aiding in the ripening of fruits, baking soda has truly earned its place as a miracle ingredient in the garden. With its wide range of applications and eco-friendly properties, baking soda provides an affordable and versatile solution for common gardening challenges. Whether you're looking to maintain healthier plants, control pests, or enhance the quality of your harvest, consider harnessing the remarkable powers of baking soda and unlock its miracles in your garden today.